Yo, Rapsag Foods, and we're back with another vlog. If you're new here, I'm Rapsag, and welcome back to my channel. Be sure to subscribe, turn on notification bells, and give this video a big thumbs up, because it's gonna be an epic vlog. Today we are at shrimp fishing in Shenzhen, and it took pretty long to come here, so it will be really fun. And I'll set you guys down so you guys can watch me fish. And here's Crazy Anston. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, Crazy Anston. Yeah, and so we'll go fish first. And then
You should film yourself making the stuff.
so first we have to put on the bait. I guess we just put it. That's not how you put it. Well, I guess we just wait. Oh, I got something! Whoa, Rapsag dudes, I got something!
Here. Come on. Bring it in.
Guys, I got something! I caught something! Ah.
先拿到外面，拿到手就好了。这里有个镊子，别吃。
好。
Guys, I'm so happy I finally caught something.
I got zero. Crazy Anston got